Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing for you today. Today we're unboxing the mid-month LITE Collection. As you may or may not know, this month Gina from Orchid and Opal has designed both collection color palettes, and we are so grateful for her for all her hard work and amazing creativity. The main collection for the month was Summer in Sicily, and you really got to see it if you haven't had a chance to look at it already. Now we are unboxing the mid-month collection. And this is like the same concept of collections, but these are smaller, more focused, and more affordable. So the LITE collections are awesome to have around if you are looking for something a little less overwhelming to play with. These color palettes are more focused, and as always, there are going to be lots of fun projects using the beads in the collection. I also have to mention the fact that everyone who is in our VIP newsletter list is going to get important information about collections ahead of time. So make sure you're signed up. It's totally free, and you just have to click on the link below and sign up for our newsletter and become a Eureka VIP. So let's check out the beads.
In case you're new here, what we do with these collections is release them every month. They are not a subscription. You can grab one if you feel inspired. You can grab a few of the items only instead of the whole thing because we have everything listed on our website. And those who have been around know these tend to sell out. So if you like the color palette, go ahead and grab it before they are all gone.
Wow, I'm absolutely enthralled with these colors, let me tell you. I love succulents, and these colors are right up my alley. I am so excited. So let me get organized. We will go through all of these beads one at a time. As always, we have our beautiful paragraph here. It's meant to inspire you, to get you in the mood. Sculptural succulent gardens, warm glow of terracotta tiles. Yeah, so this is definitely a continuation of that Mediterranean vibe, but this is a little more grounded color. This is a little deeper. It goes a little greener, and I love the terracotta colors. Oh, fabulous. So as always, the product list is here and has everything listed. All the products are numbered and the SKU is right here. So if you ever find yourself wondering, hey, what is this? I want more. You just go to number 3 here and type that in to EurekaCrystalBeads.com and you'll get that exact item and you can get more. So that's the list. Let's go through the beads. So first, as always, is the selection of seed beads. And here we have 5 different baggies of seed beads. And these colors are just spectacular. Oh my gosh. So the first one is a Miyuki round. It's a 15-0, so pretty small. It's a 5-gram bag. And this is a silver-lined teal color. Very pretty. Then next we have a mix. This is a beautiful mix called Sea Breeze Sand. And you have so much texture here. I really love that there's this frosted color in here. It really adds a lot of interest to this mix. And these are 11-0s. These are also Miyuki. And this is a 10-gram bag. Next up, that color, this is one of my favorite colors of all time. This is a Miyuki. This is an 8-0 round seed bead, so these are a bit bigger. This is a 10-gram bag, and this is the Duracoat Galvanized Muscat. And I just love this color. Next up, we have some bugles. These are 3 millimeters, so that's the length of the bugle tube. And this is a cream Ceylon, so you can see that sort of beautiful luster coating on there. And this is also a Miyuki, and this is an 8-gram bag of these. And last but not least, we have this 8-gram bag of Celine beads. So Celine beads are the new brand of cylindrical shaped beads, just like Delicas, just like Treasures. And this is a beautiful burnished copper lined color. And this is a totally new brand that we are carrying now. And we want to hear from you. What do you think? Do you like it? How do they compare with the other cylindrical beads you've been using? We wanted to see what everyone thinks. Our estimation is that they're fantastic, which is why we put them in the collection. Next up, our Czech glass selection. The first 3 are strands of Czech beads. The first 2 are fire polish, and the last one is a druck bead. So we have these beautiful faceted fire polishes. This is a 3mm, and the next one is a 4mm. I really, really love this color. It works so well, and it's so perfectly in line with the color palette here. But I gotta say, what catches my eye the most is this one. Fire polish, you're so used to them being super sparkly, because they're polished by fire. And this matte glass is just something about it just grabs your attention. It's just fantastic. Velvety almost. I really, really like this color. It's a hurricane glass matte cactus fig. And this is a 4mm. Like I said, you get 50 of these on the strand, and you get 50 of the little ones too. And then we're also getting this really pretty matte metallic antique copper. These are even smaller. They're 2mm. And these are pressed glass beads. These are rounds. And you get a strand of 100 little beads here. But that's not it for the Czech glass. As you know, Gina loves her Czech glass, so we made sure to put a lot in the collection. We also have crescents. This is that like polychrome finish. Stupendous. Absolutely beautiful. We also have some Moby Duos. These are some really interesting 2-hole beads, and they're super fun for bead weaving and all sorts of unique designs. Really, really pretty. And these are chalk white teal luster. You get 30 of these in the bag. And finally, I also absolutely love these. Aren't these cool? These are hibiscus Czech glass flower beads. So these are pressed glass beads. And they have such an antique-y patina thing going on here. Of course, it's called Mossy Green Picasso. So yeah, you're getting that moss. And it's just, I love little details and the way the color works here. And next up, we have our Krakovski Crystals. Ooh, so pretty. So this is a pretty unique shape here. These are navettes, and they are a really beautiful amber color. Actually, it's called tangerine. It does kind of have an amber look to it, very fiery. It's 7 by 15mm, and I am very excited to see what designs Gina comes up with to encase these, because these are absolutely beautiful. And we also have these 8mm green Sphinx chatons. Get 6 of those. And yeah, green Sphinx is one of those colors where if you look at it in different angles, the color will be different. So head on, they're a little bit deep teal, but from the side you see some light green, some blue. And last but not least, we have our findings selection. And oh boy, what a treat. These are beautiful copper, antique copper patina finished findings. You have a beautiful toggle clasp with that patina right in there. In that design, you have a couple of really pretty 2-sided charms and these gorgeous, really large chandelier earring parts. So that's going to be really beautiful to work with. I absolutely adore this pattern, this design. It's so gorgeous. And the ear wires are this really unique and interesting kidney shape. So there's so much here in such a small selection, right? It's not a ton of stuff, but these pieces are just gorgeous and obviously chosen with a lot of thought, which is why we always come back to Gina for collections, because she's really good at it. Well, that does it for the collection unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and watching all the way through. This is one of my favorite color palettes, I have to be honest, and I cannot wait to see what projects Gina comes up with. We will also have some projects on our channel as well, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that you hit that notification bell so you always know when the next tutorial is posting. And like I mentioned before, don't forget to sign up for the VIP newsletter. A link is down below. It's totally free and you will not regret signing up. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!